Have you ever returned to email after being away in meetings, a conference, or taking well-deserved time off, only to be overwhelmed when you return by a large number of emails needing your attention? Help has arrived. WIM stands for What Did I Miss? And is your email assistant to help you catch up and keep up with work. Our employees regularly use MS Teams. You access Automation Copilot easily from there. Click to launch WIM, the Work Activity Catch-up Assistant. Choose the time frame for the email summary, spanning from the current date to the previous 10 days. Submit the request. A notification signals that the intelligent automation will shortly deliver a summary email. WIM accesses the email locally on the employee's machine. Data privacy is paramount in this automation. The summary email has been received. The results provide a summary of emails from the past 10 days. Group 1 features messages that are urgent or require immediate attention, showing outlined actions like rescheduling a 2 p.m. meeting, along with a brief executive summary. Attention turns to Group 2, focusing on important emails that are not urgent. See Row 11. WIM was able to provide a concise summary over an extensive email thread of 29 messages, saving significant time. WIM, your work activity catch-up assistant, is here to save you time keeping up and catching up with work. Another generative AI-enabled automation powered by the Automation Success Platform that is transforming the way we work.